Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina, aka The Nina Effect. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and check out the QR code. So I wanted to do something a little different, y'all. Y'all know that I'm an artist, you know that I'm a painter, but not only that, I love and enjoy doing my makeup because I do events. I am in the club industry, so you have to look the part in order to get eyes on you, in order to get that attention. So I learned how to do makeup now since 2007, and it's been trial and error. I was struggling with it at first because I have hooded eyes. It was tough. Like, I would mess up my eyeliner all the time. So I took the suggestion of my boyfriend. He told me, upload your makeup routine. People want to see it. I mean, I go on live on TikTok and I get lots of love. And I get judgments too because of the way I do my makeup. I start with my eyes first. And I do that because the times that I've put all makeup on and then mess up my eyes, I gotta erase everything and start all over again. So let's jump in and let me show you how I do my makeup. All right, so let's start with the brows. I'm starting with the e.l.f. brow gel. I like to use this first because it helps slick my brows down and it keeps them in place all day. Then I brush them upward and then outward just to shape them how I want. I use a hand fan to dry it down. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I love this because it's perfect for adding hair-like strokes and filling in any sparse areas without looking too heavy. On the other end of the pencil, there is a spoolie to help blend out harsh lines and groom them into place. Now we're going in with my Dior Forever Concealer in shade 2.5N. I dot a few spots and I use a flat brush to distribute an even layer across my eyelids and around my brows. It gives me a clean base for my eyeshadow. Lock it in with the Morph setting powder and voila, you are ready to do your eyeshadow. This is the Nude Mood from ColourPop and I'm using the shade All Natural to get that natural blended look on my crease. This is the Judy Doll eyeliner. I want to create a winged look because I like my liner lifted. And because I have hooded eyes, this is how I do my eyeliner. If you have hooded eyes like me, then you will love this eyeliner because it's so precise. Look at how thin the lines are. Juvia's Place has the best liquid eyeshadows, and I was talking on this video because I was asking my TikTok family to let me know which one I should choose, and they picked the pink one, which is called Afrochella. And now mascara with the Tarte Atlet Tubing Mascara from Tarte. Now we're back with my Dior Forever Concealer to conceal under my eyes, nose, and any redness on my face. Grab yourself a blending sponge and blend away until all the product is evenly distributed and there's no cakiness. This is Dior's Forever Foundation in 3N and I'm using a foundation brush to apply it. To contour, I'm using Juvia's Place Bronze Cream Bronzer in Amber. I dot it along my forehead and cheekbones, and then I blend it out with a contour brush. And I'm grabbing my Morph setting powder again, and I use an eyeshadow brush to set under my eyes. This helps prevent smudging. Then I use a powder brush to lightly set the rest of my face. I am so random, but I wanted to do an inner corner eyeliner look using the Judy Doll eyeliner because it's perfect to do that inner corner. And listen, I have struggled with doing the inner corner, but this is how you do it. You just take your time and get a good eyeliner. I go ahead and set my contour. For blush, I use the Revolution blush palette, and I'm using peach and pink tones. This highlighter palette is also from Revolution, and I was telling my TikTok family that I jacked this palette up. But anyway, I'm using this pink highlighter because we're doing a pink look. It's eyelash time, and I'm using these beautiful eyelashes from Eyelure, and they're called Royal. I love them because they are already cut to 3/4 and perfect for smaller eyes. I set everything with this Morph Prep and Set spray. It smells so good, and I love that it keeps my makeup on all day. I almost forgot lips. I use this peel off lip liner lip tint, and I love it because if you eat, if you drink, whatever is not going anywhere. While my lip dries, I decide to do my hair. I want something quick, easy, and that's not going to be all in my face. So I do this slick back ponytail and make sure it's in a bun. It's giving that 90s baddies look. I peel off the lip liner and look at that beautiful color. I finally finish it off with some glitter gloss because I want those lips to shine. And here's the final look. I hope you all enjoy this makeup routine. Remember that makeup is art. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.